read poem Quest for the Answer by Avadhut Guru Prasad and Jen Walls from the book Ocean of Care. Quest for the Answer. Before approaching this question of who am I stand here without any possibility of finding an answer now. Was this the first time that I would open to search myself, but only hang my head before coming to the answer for the question I ask? As all my moments flew, I couldn't really face myself when this question stood with immediacy like a sharpened arrow before me. Though self-inquiry is research about the self, it has never been carried out within me. When I stand without any answer, I have doubts. I think my life's been nothing but meaningless. I will never evade this question before me. I have to have an answer for this question. I feel to only seek what's true inside me. I've also decided to become my answer too. I will now only be asking myself, who am I? Then I will hear that the inquirer, questioner, the answerer, replier, and the answer, reply, are essentially true when they are only myself. When I realize how I will receive this answer infinitely, that I am, the question ever arises from myself without even knowing myself at all. If I hear, then I can answer within my inner call. What's different of myself, going beyond name? If I realize there is nothing that's different in me, the known myself have always been the same.